What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. I just got back from work. As you can see, we are going to be working on the STI today. Don't mind my cord, guys. That's like the only source of power I have up there. Stay tuned, guys, because we have something big today. First thing we want to do, guys, is clean the taillights. We have to clean the taillights. I'm using clay mitt that I picked up on Amazon, using Adams Polish's detail spray and just a microfiber cloth from Adams. The purpose for this is just so there's no decontaminants on it or anything. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, now it's time to install the tint. So you have the overlays, we have a mixture, soap and water, about 2-3 drops we're going to use. Alright. So, also use a squeegee, credit card, whatever you guys want to use really to get this done. So you just want to spray it on there. The tint off, guys, and then you're just going to want to give this spray just to lubricate it up. Just going to put it on there. Take the squeegee, line it up, and just start squeegeeing the excess water out. Now we're just going to use a hair dryer just to heat it up a little, stretch out the plastic, and get all the bubbles out. Alright, so the first one came out pretty well, but we have a little problems in the corner here. We're gonna have to work on that one later after the video because it just needs to stick a little bit, even out a little bit, but I think this stick might be almost gone, so we'll see how that one goes, but let's try better lining it up more over because I had to tuck in the corners and it wasn't gonna tuck because they don't want to, so. Alright, first one went okay, but little bubble as you saw in the corner, I'm gonna get that fixed. This one, I'm gonna line up differently, a little more closer to the edge, see how it goes. Take your spray, you wanna spray it on here, and do a light spray here. Same process, that one went on really good, guys. Now we just take the hair dryer and get all the bubbles in. that one fixed a little. This one, guys, looks great. Let's shut the trunk. Alright, guys, look how good that looks. So, not bad. Let that cure a little bit more. As you can see, guys, that was a really easy install. Took me about 5-10 minutes to do, and it looks amazing on the car. If you guys have any questions, put in the comments below. If you like the shirt I'm wearing, it's Street Speed 717s. That's an In-Chains Designs. They just stocked up on inventory, so you guys check their website out. Link will be in below. Step-by-step process for this. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.